Nissan set aside $590 million because of one transmission, and there's a decent chance it's in your driveway. Altima, Sentra, Rogue, Versa, Murano. From 2007 to 2018, millions of Nissans shipped with the same belt-driven CVT. Instead of gears, a steel belt slides between two pulleys, smooth and efficient, until heat builds and that belt starts to slip. Owners felt it as shudder, whine, and sudden limp mode, and a full replacement runs $3,500 to $8,000. But here's the thing, the transmission isn't doomed, it's overheating. Worn-out fluid loses its cooling power, and heat does the killing. Fresh fluid every 30,000 miles runs a couple $100 at Rohnert Park Transmission, cheaper than a $590 million lesson.